Hello, lovelies. Okay, so my Elves Box did finally arrive. The tracking information was a little bit off, so it came, I think, on Saturday, but I was at a gaming convention, and when I got home, it was super late and I was exhausted. So it is now Monday. I have the box, obviously, and I believe this is the January Elves Box from Sophie and Toffee. This, for those who don't know, this is a monthly subscription box. I pay for my own subscription. So there's no reason for me to be nice if I don't feel like being nice. There's no reason for me to be mean unless I feel like being mean about what's in here. If am remembering the correct preview video, I'm going to be really happy with this. They've started doing a premium box and a regular box. I get the regular box. So if I'm remembering premium instead, then it just won't be what I'm expecting. But hey, the number of times I haven't remembered what was supposed to be in this box, kind of high. So here we go. Let's find out what Sophie and Toffee sent me in my subscription box this month. My egg story. Okay, cool. I was remembering the right one. So this is the January Elves box. There's a featured project where if based on what I saw, they gave me everything I could use. Oops, keep on code. Pretend you didn't see that. Let's see here. So here's a lovely list of everything I'm supposed to get. Oh, that's nice and in focus for you. I'm excited. I see words like purple and black on this list. And here we go. Egg silicone mold. Ooh, oh, it's 3 sections. Cool. I had not noticed that in the previews. So it looks like the smallest one is about 1 inch tall and the biggest one is about 1.5 inches. So that's nice. Resin, more resin. There's so much resin in my house right now because I haven't been able to use it lately. Resin, blue and white pigment dye. It says transparent clear. I'm pretty sure the white is actually pretty opaque, if this is similar to the other ones I've gotten from them, but I'm very excited to get more blue because I am a sucker for using blue in more things than I should. Stretchy glitter in white, gold, and silver. Stretchy glitter. What is stretchy glitter? Okay. Is that this? No, that's something else. Oh, I think the glitter is... Oh, something in here is definitely spilling. I hope it's not the stretchy glitter. I don't see any sparkle in what spilled, so something's just leaking liquid, and it's definitely just in this bag. Everything else is fine. Ooh, that was slightly sticky. Okay, so I think stretchy glitter might have done something bad in transit. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that those are in there. I'm not going to pull them out. I don't feel like getting my hands super messy right now. Pearl powders in purple and black. So that looks like a pearl powder, and that looks like it's probably a pearl powder as well. Egg findings in gold and silver. That would be those. Ooh, and I think those are different sizes, not just a bunch of pieces stacked together. So that's exciting. Pearl powder, white cloud stretchy clay. That is this over here. That's a cute little pouch for it. Yeah, that feels like it's probably clay of some kind, so squish, squish, squish. I'm not quite sure what stretchy clay means, so I guess I'll find that out later. Dried flowers. Ooh! Orange and white mostly. I'm not sure if people got different colors or not, but the ones I got are orange and white, which I love, but maybe not with blue. That might be a little bit too clashy, so we'll see. Blue rhinestone beads. There's something blue in here, maybe? Oops. There's a random open jump ring in this pouch. And blue rhinestone beads. That could be rhinestone beads. That is a thing it could possibly be. Water bubble drops. Oh, please be what I think you are. Yes! Okay, so these are... I have ones that are... Those do have a yellow tone. Oh yeah, those have a yellow tone for sure on the camera. So I have ones that have a faint blue tone that every once in a while I toss into things where I want fun effects. So yellow is interesting. Got a really interesting color assortment in this box. I'm not sure I'd put them together, but I like them. Silhouette resin film. There we go. Oh, this is nothing like the ones I saw in the video, so I think this is something where people got different versions of it. But I really like this kind of like carnival feel and then houses, so that's going to make some cute stuff. And LED light keychain. Ah, that's why there was a jump ring in another place. So that goes through that, and that feels strong enough. I'm going to have to use pliers to close, which is good. So that would all assemble together and be a keychain. And I really like that star, so that's really cute. So I'm not sure I've seen any tutorials for this box yet, but Sophie and Toffee did post their own video showing a tutorial of the basic idea of the egg project. So I know how they kind of think this is going to work. I think it would be really fun to make cute pieces to just like display instead of turn into a keychain. I don't remember seeing the clay in the project that they did, so the clay might just be kind of a bonus thing for something else. Might be really fun to try to work some of the pigment powders into that. Or I guess some of the stretchy glitter. Okay. Sorry, that's weird to me. Like, I'm excited, it's good weird, but I'm like, huh, I didn't think that was an option. I'm gonna put the stretchy glitter back in the resealable bag just in case that's important. And that is everything. Sorry this video is going up a little bit late this month. I hope you guys saw the mold review that I did a little bit ago, just so that I would get something up. Got up to my Patreons before midway through the month. I don't think it's gotten up to the rest of my viewers yet. And if you want to see me try to do any projects with this stuff, or if there's a particular item that you want me to pull out and play with and review for you guys, absolutely let me know. And by the way, I have a Patreon, I have a Facebook, I just started doing Instagram, so all of those links are going to be in the description down below, along with a link to Sophie and Toffee. If you see anything in this box that you think was cool, there's going to be a link that you guys can follow to get to them. So thank you for watching.